now in Joshua 24 verse 31 is the testimony of the great leader. It says here, Israel served the Lord all the days of Joshua. Samtang nagitagaan si Joshua o katungod na mag-oversight sa iyang trabaho, ang tanan na naa sa ilalong sa iyang pagdumala, nangalagad silang tanan sa tuang buhi na Dios. Palakpakan nato ang atong buhi na Dios. Amen? There are strategic assignment to be accomplished for every season. The keys of God has been handed to you. Hindi mo taparang naan ng susi sa imong kamutron. Amen? That key, amen, will crank the engine that will drive and direct you to the journey, amen, to accomplish the divine plan of the Lord. Hindi mo taparang gamitan ng susi. Amen? Every objective of God in every dispensation is a vital and crucial part to His unfolding plan. Each becomes a part of the momentum that moves history toward the